Shake Table Lab by Finn Cameron, Dylan Thomas, and Flint-Finn-Dylan. We first started building the structure and adding crossbars. These would help support more sandbags. We then worked on the first-story platform and measured the dimensions of the first floor to help hold sandbags. We added crossbars to the second story and put a middle piece in the first story to support sandbags. Next, our group finishes putting the paper on the first and second floor. We then put string around the perimeter of the second floor to keep the sandbags from falling. We added more crossbars on the second floor. We also added string to the first floor. Our building is 36 centimeters tall and 17.5 centimeters wide. The first story is 18 centimeters tall. When we tested our building, we put 2 sandbags on each floor and our tower held all 4. We put crossbars on the floors to keep the floor steady when we put the sandbags on. The strongest part was the middle story because we had a middle pole to keep it steady. The weakest parts were the corners where the straws met because the tape wasn't strong enough. We used string around the first floor and the second floor to keep the sandbags from falling. We used tape on the corners of the building at every straw intersection to keep them together and steady. We used our extra straws to make a middle piece to hold up the story above it.
Okay, 3, 2,
Come on.
go!
Oh no! No!
Yeah, I got that.
This is your project.
Yeah.
You're gonna help. Count.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh no.
Come on.
Stop.
No way.
No!
It's gonna stay.
Steady.
It's gonna stay.
Hi, Dylan.
Hello.
How many sandbags did your building support?
Our building supported 8 whole sandbags.
Where did your building fail?
Our building failed in the middle piece because it broke when we put on our sandbags.
If you were going to build it over, what would you change?
First, I would have made the middle piece stronger, and I would have had our whole building curve in like this.
What did you learn about building strong earthquake-proofing buildings?
I learned that X pieces on the side of your building really help support your building.
What did you like about the building process?
I liked working with my friends.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Finn.
Hi, Flint.
How many sandbags did your building support?
Our building supported 8 sandbags.
Where did your building fail?
Our building failed in the centerpiece because it was broken when we put sandbags on.
If you were going to build it over, what would you change?
I would build a stronger centerpiece and, build it.
Okay, what did you learn about building strong earthquake-proof buildings?
I learned that having a strong centerpiece and equal X's on each side are really good.
What did you like about the building project?
I liked working with my friends and learning new things.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Hi, Dylan.
How many sandbags did your building support?
Our building supported 8 sandbags.
Where did your building fail?
Our building failed in the middle story of the pole because right when we put on our sandbags, it broke.
If you were going to change something and build it over, what would you change?
We would change how the building curves in instead of straight up.
What did you learn about building strong earthquake-proofing buildings?
We learned that if you put more X pieces, then it will be much stronger.
What did you like about the building project?
I liked working with a bunch of our friends. And yeah.
Yeet!
Thank you. We put an electronic sensor on top of our building, and it shows that the orange is side to side, the blue is up and down, and the green is forward and backward.